Damages on your fault-based claims. The unseaworthiness claim and the negligence claim are both what we call fault-based claim. They're predicated on a showing of fault. In essence, that you were injured because your employer or the third party was at fault in causing your injury. So in these types of cases, there are three categories of damages you can recover, called special damages and general damages. Special damages are also known as economic damages. These are categories that you can basically apply a number to. For the two categories of special damages, we have medical expenses and wage loss, or diminished earning capacity. For the wage loss, this is basically the amount of money that you have lost as a result of your injury. It's the time that you are out of work and the wages you have lost while you've been recovering from your injuries. So at the time of trial, looking back, those are known as your past wage loss, and you may also lose money in the future. So let's say you were making $100,000 annually working on a vessel, and after your injuries, you were retrained and put in a new career where you're only able to make $50,000. So if you have 20 years remaining in your work life, you're losing out on $50,000 a year. So we would calculate those over the course of the remaining 20 years and call those your future wage loss or diminished earning capacity. The second category of economic damages are your medical expenses. These are the bills you paid to see the doctor, for x-rays, for therapy. Oftentimes, these are paid by your insurance company, and you are obligated to pay them back. Future medical expenses are ones that you may continue to incur after trial. Perhaps you'll need to have an MRI done every couple years for that shoulder injury or ongoing medications you'll be taking. So we will have our team of experts calculate what the cost of those will be, and those are your future medical expenses. To rehash, we have three categories of damages: past and future wage loss, past and future medical expenses, and past and future general damages. You may have heard of this as your pain and suffering, your emotional distress. This is compensation for the physical pain and the mental anguish of the injuries you received. Now, these are more difficult to quantify and more difficult to explain to a jury. So it's important that we tell your story and impress upon the jury or the claims adjuster, whoever it is, how your life has been impacted by these injuries in ways that you can't readily put a number on.